Is there really a way for anyone to control wealth? Well, there are rules to the game. It requires mastering the right mindset. Wealthy people think differently about money, and you can shift to these perspectives too. Hey champs, welcome to the MoneyMind quest. Today, we master the psychology of money. If you are all about unlocking wealth, you want to watch till the end and smash the subscribe button to join the quest. Buckle up and let's roll. Wealthy people often possess an abundance mindset. They see opportunities where others see limitations. They believe there's enough opportunities for everyone. This doesn't mean they're reckless with money. It means they're open to possibilities and take calculated risks. On the other hand, a scarcity mindset can hold you back. This mindset focuses on lack and limitations. People with a scarcity mindset often worry about not having enough. They may hesitate to invest or take risks. This fear can prevent them from achieving their financial goals. Shifting from a scarcity to an abundance mindset is crucial. Start by recognizing and challenging your limiting beliefs. Do you often say things like, "I can't afford that," or "money doesn't grow on trees"? These beliefs can become self-fulfilling prophecies. Instead, start focusing on what you have and what's possible. Surround yourself with positive influences. We become the company we keep. So engage in activities that trigger faith, listen to podcasts, read inspiring books, and connect with successful people. Remember, your mindset is a choice. Choose abundance. Building wealth requires effort and sacrifice. It's not always easy, and wealthy people understand this. They're willing to make tough choices and delay gratification. They invest their time and energy wisely. Think of successful entrepreneurs like Warren Buffett. They often work long hours, especially in the early stages. They sacrifice their time and comfort to build something great. They understand that success requires dedication and hard work. Consider athletes who train rigorously for years. They endure intense physical and mental demands. They push themselves beyond their limits. They understand that greatness requires discipline and perseverance. Building wealth is similar. An important piece is the drive to pay the price. Just like fuel in a car, successful people are driven by vision, passion, and purpose. When a clear vision of the goal guides the mind, passion is channeled towards productive pursuits to achieve it. This focus on a higher level of value cultivates a highly valuable skill set. Ultimately, having a purpose greater than money, such as creating solutions that serve people, can be an incredibly fulfilling motivation. Are you willing to pay the price? Am I the only one that was late to know about the marshmallow test and its incredible insights on success? This famous study highlights the importance of delayed gratification. In this experiment, children were given a choice. They could eat one marshmallow immediately or wait and receive 2 later. The results were significant. Children who could delay gratification achieved greater success later in life. This principle applies to wealth building as well. Millionaires understand the power of delaying gratification. They're willing to invest their money instead of spending it on immediate pleasures. They focus on long-term rewards. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It's about finding a balance. For example, you may still enjoy a nice dinner out, but maybe you choose to cook at home more often to save for a down payment on a house. Remember, delayed gratification is a skill, not a talent. Small sacrifices can lead to significant rewards in the long run. In today's digital age, we're bombarded with information. It can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to personal finance. The key is to filter this information and focus on what's relevant to you. Wealthy people are often voracious learners. They seek out knowledge and constantly improve their skills. They read often, attend seminars, and connect with mentors. However, they're also selective about their sources. They focus on credible experts and actionable advice. Don't try to learn everything at once. Go gradually. Start with the basics of personal finance. Understand budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Once you have a solid foundation, you can delve deeper into specific areas that interest you. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when applied. Take action on what you learn. Don't just consume information passively. Put it into practice and adjust your approach as needed. Labor is the most common input to create income. Successful people understand this and go about it differently. They focus on high-impact activities that move them closer to sustainable goals. One effective, resourceful technique they deploy is using work to build skill sets. The average person views work simply as a means to earn money. The wealthy identifies it as the opportunity of creating skill sets to develop themselves as resourceful. They understand that the three elements of assets, which are mindsets, skill sets, and tool sets, combine to create sustainable wealth. So for them, work serves as a means to develop and enhance these three elements. They know labor is limited, so they invest it wisely. While the average people invest labor in activities to create income, the wealthy invest their efforts in assets that generate income. They focus on creating designs, systems, and innovations to produce recurring revenue. So, evaluate your skills to rechannel your labor and find what works best for you. The key is to be intentional with your labor and time to make every minute count. Your thoughts have a powerful impact on your reality. Wealthy people understand this. They cultivate a positive mindset and focus on their goals. They believe in their ability to achieve success. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about approaching difficulties with a solution-oriented mindset. It's about believing in your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. One effective way to shift your mindset is through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. For example, you can affirm, "I am capable of achieving financial freedom," or "I attract abundance into my life." Remember, your thoughts create your reality. Choose to focus on the positive and believe in your ability to create the life you desire. Fear and analysis paralysis can be major obstacles to financial success. Fear can prevent you from taking risks or pursuing opportunities, while analysis paralysis can keep you stuck in a cycle of overthinking and inaction. Wealthy people recognize these challenges and develop strategies to overcome them. They understand that action is crucial for success. They're willing to take calculated risks and make decisions even when they don't have all the answers. One way to overcome fear is to break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the process less daunting and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Another effective strategy is to reframe fear as excitement. Instead of viewing a challenge as something to be afraid of, see it as an opportunity for growth and learning. To combat analysis paralysis, set deadlines for yourself and stick to them. Don't get bogged down in trying to make the perfect decision. Sometimes good enough is good enough. Remember, action breeds clarity and momentum. Networking is an essential aspect of wealth building. Successful people understand the power of relationships. They build strong networks with other successful individuals. They attend industry events, connect with mentors, and surround themselves with people who inspire and challenge them. Building a strong network is not about collecting business cards or attending every event. It's about cultivating genuine relationships with people who share your values and aspirations. It's also about providing value to others and seeking mutually beneficial connections. One effective way to network is to join professional organizations or attend industry conferences. These events provide opportunities to meet like-minded individuals and learn from experts in your field. Another powerful strategy is to reach out to people you admire and request informational interviews. These conversations can provide valuable insights and open doors to new opportunities. Remember, networking is not about what you can get from others, but what you can give Focus on building authentic relationships based on mutual respect and support. Unlocking wealth is not about luck or inheritance. It's about mastering the right mindset, adopting empowering habits, and taking consistent action. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But by embracing a growth mindset, seeking knowledge, and surrounding yourself with the right people, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your financial goals. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate your progress. Join the MoneyMind Quest champions by smashing the subscribe button. Check out this video and don't forget, the power to unlock your financial potential is within you. Yes, you. Take the first step today.